3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff.
Power and telemetry nominal.
We've had successful liftoff of the Falcon 9 vehicle as it carries S-HALE-2 communication satellite to geostationary transfer orbit. Now we've cleared the towers and we are ascending. The next major milestone as we come up is max Q, that maximum aerodynamic pressure that the vehicle will experience as it goes through the thicker parts of the atmosphere. As we get higher, the density of the atmosphere decreases and there's less and less load on the vehicle. You should hear the call out for that soon.
Vehicle has passed through maximum aerodynamic pressure.
And we've had max Q, so again, decreasing pressure on the vehicle as we continue to ascend through the thinner parts of the upper atmosphere. Now we're coming up on a sequence here where a few events will happen in very short succession. Those events are MECO, stage separation, and then SES-1. Those stand for MECO, main engine cutoff, stage separation, and then SES, which is second burns today. And those are, MECO is when we shut off the 9 Merlin engines of the first stage, and then once we've shut those down, we separate the two stages, and then once the stages are separated, the second stage engine, the Merlin vacuum engine, is exposed to space and it will begin burning. That will happen over the span of about 10 seconds, starting about 20 seconds or so from now. Again, main engine cutoff, stage separation, second engine start.
MECO, we have stage separation.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
And we have had second engine start as the orange glow appears to brighten up the Merlin vacuum engine in the center of your screen. Again, transitioning the responsibilities from the first stage to the second stage. We'll follow both of those vehicles in parallel as we continue this webcast, but for now, the next major milestone is on the second stage, and that is when we deploy the fairings that encapsulate the payload. So S-HALE-2 is protected from the aerodynamics of ascent by that fairing. Once we're out in space, the air is not thick, we do not need it anymore, so we drop it to reduce our total mass. That fairing deployment will occur about 10 seconds from now.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Where the second stage stopped firing. We're going to check some data and tune in on first stage here in a second.
Nominal orbital insertion.
All right, landing shut down.
That's the signal tape.
On the drone ship.
And there it is. The first stage has landed on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You in the Atlantic Ocean for another recovery and a potential third refurbished flight of this same booster. So with good success of that secondary mission, we'll transition back to the primary mission here, which is the delivery of S-HALE-2 to geostationary.
Spacecraft separation confirmed.
And there it is, a beautiful sight as S-HALE-2 floats away again to provide communications from geostationary orbits. Today was a wonderful day. We'd like to extend a great thanks to our customer, SHellSat, for entrusting us with today's mission. And surprisingly, SpaceX's first mission ever to be attempted in the entire month of November for the entire history of the company.
Really exciting.
So great day for us, great day for SHellSat. We'd also like to extend our thanks to the manufacturer of today's satellite, the Mitsubishi Electric Company, as well as the 45th Space Wing for their range safety, and as always, the FAA for their licensing of today's launch.
Now, we also want to thank all of you, our viewers, for joining us. If you're excited by today's launch and want to join our mission to make life multiplanetary, please visit spacex.com/careers for a list of our current job postings. Please also follow us on our social media accounts for the latest on our upcoming missions and milestones. And with that, we're going to be signing off from Hawthorne and wish you all a wonderful rest of the day.
Acquisition of signal, Mauritius.